Hi, this is the OPPO A79 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with the Ampere app on this device. So open first the Settings app and the Play Store app, and in the search pool enter the Ampere. Then just tap the Install button to get this application and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to yes, I agree, be close and tap to OK, and you'll see information about your battery temperature. In my case that's 31 and 6 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.